Did you know that you can easily embed your Google Drive in Notion? Then I'm going to show you how to quickly do this. So once you're inside Notion, guys, you want to go ahead and add forward slash and write the word embed. And once you do that, you'll have a ton of different results that pops up. One of them is actually Google Drive. So you want to look for Google Drive in the list and click on Google Drive. Now, once you do that, guess what? You can browse your Google Drive by simply clicking here, and it will ask you to connect to your Google Drive account. Or if you have a link to, let's say, a particular document that you have in Google Drive, you can easily go ahead and click that as well. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to quickly access my Google Drive right here, and I'm going to find a link, let's say, to for example, a PDF document. So let me go ahead and open up this right here. Is a PDF document. I'm going to go ahead and just copy the link of this document, and let's head back over to Notion. So I can quickly go ahead and paste that link and just simply click and link. And as you can see, it links the document here in Google Drive. Now, I want to mention, if it's a PDF document, this is not the right way how to actually link that. If you want to view the document, then it's best to go ahead and use the word embed and search for PDF, and that will allow you to view that PDF document. But if you just solely want to embed your Google Drive, then this is how you can actually do it. So let me show you. If you want to do, for example, PDF, you can quickly go ahead and use the forward slash embed. You will be able to find PDF in the list right here, as you can see, and this is going to allow you to quickly add the link directly from Google Drive, and you can view the PDF document. Now, let's say you want to just simply connect your Google Drive. Just go ahead and click on the Google Drive here, browse Google Drive, connect, and this is going to allow you to connect to your Google Drive. So with this option here, you can actually browse your Google Drive and find whatever you want to find within Google Drive, and so you can add that directly into your Notion page right here. So as you can see, it's currently embedding, and it's going to quickly open up different, let's say, files in my Google Drive that I can quickly add. So if it's going to be a video or whatever, let me just randomly choose something here. So if it's going to be a video, I can select the video, click and select right here, and you will see that it will add that video or whatever document I have in my Google Drive, and I can actually play it as well. As you can see, this is it, and this is the video that is shown directly from within my Google Drive, and it's showing up in Notion. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for how to embed your Google Drive within Notion, this is how you do it.